Hey guys, thanks for tuning into our review channel. We're doing an unboxing of this awesome kit from SD Lighting. It's number PS-055. I'll leave a link down below. We're doing a total unboxing of this awesome kit. Comes with the lights, comes with the backdrop, even comes with a reflector. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your review channel. Today we're doing a review on a lighting kit. So I have an awesome set of boxes here. So this huge box here, and this box, and this bag. So this black bag was in this box that was in this big box. And it's packed very, very well. And I want to thank SD for sending me their light kit. I'm doing a review on it. This is a full studio basically in a bag. It's got lights, 2 soft boxes and 2 umbrellas in the bag. We're going to open it up. We're going to take a look at it with 3 backdrops. So we're going to take a look at that whole kit, but just want to give props. When they packaged this thing, look at this. Check this out. This thing was packed so well. I want to give this an A+. That's the first thing I want to do. So A+ on packing, packed very well. It arrived here safe. So that's number 1. So let's get this out of the way. And then that came in box number 2. Okay, like I said, there's the brand, SD, and came in the second box. So double box with really good packing. So you can't go wrong with that. So that takes care of that. Okay guys, so we have a total entire kit here from SD. And they had some awesome lighting online, and they were very nice and gracious enough to send me a kit to review for them. So I've done some different kits in the past, and this is basically a whole studio background in a box. So if you're doing any type of photography work on the side, or if you want to set up a home studio, for under $200 you can have a softbox, umbrellas, the whole 9 yards in here. It's adjustable backdrop. And let's just see what's in the kit here. Let's take a look at this together and see what's in here. Open it up, and first thing we want to see here is that it does come with backdrops. So it has a white backdrop here, it has a black backdrop, and of course a green backdrop. And these are nice fabric backdrops, so if you want to do a green screen, you want to set up a black and a white. So it comes with 3 backdrops in the kit. Also comes with clamps, so if you do some clamping, nice quality clamps. Yep, I like these. Very well made, okay. Comes with a sun reflector. So if you're working outside, or if you actually want some extra light, a sun reflector, and if you've never seen one of those before, they're pretty kind of cool. You pop these out of the bag, and these just flip right open, just like that. And you can actually, extra light, you have the white, you have the gold, so you can kind of control, you know, what kind of light you're looking for. If it's too white, you can add a little nice gold tint to it to get the balance just right, or if it's too white, too gold, you can add some silver to it, so you can kind of do it that way. And these just kind of twist in and twist out. And these are really simple to use, and they come in a little bag. And if you want to know more about that, just do some search online. You'll see how to use those light reflectors. I don't use them too often. It's mostly for outdoor work, but real easy in a bag. So they give you that as well. The bulbs in here, I believe these are light bulbs. So we'll take a look at everything together. Okay, take this over here. There's our light bulbs. What's in here? We have, okay, these are the bulb holders. These are for the umbrella stands. Okay, those are for the umbrellas. We'll take a look at that. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I do appreciate that. Oh, these are actually soft boxes. Okay. So these are the soft boxes, and these are really super simple to use. Real easy. I already had electrical cord already on here. Okay, that's the first thing. All you have to do is basically, you pop these open. Super easy. Actually, so far everything is packaged real well. First of all, my first impressions, nice job. I've gotten these kits in the past here to put all this stuff together, and it's a real nightmare, so everything is really super compact and really easy to assemble. I like that. So to put this together, all you have to do basically, you can see, just pop this in, like that. You put your bulb in here, and here's your soft box. So I like that a lot. This fabric is the cover. Take a look at that. And basically you put the light bulb in, and then you drape over the actual fabric on top of that. There should be like a Velcro, I'd imagine. Yep, it's got Velcro in here, and then you can just stick the Velcro on there, and that's how you attach the softbox. So that's super simple, okay? So that's easy enough to do. But let's just lay this all out before we do everything. I'd imagine this is, let's see what this is. These are, it's a full kit. This is a nice kit. There's a lot of stuff in here, I have to say. I'm impressed. All right, so these are the stands, okay, let's take a look at that. Put that to the side. That's for the stands. Let's see what this is. Here is the second soft box. So there's 2 soft boxes, okay? I showed you the first one. and everything is all branded. So really, really nice. Nice packaging, nice branding. You have the second softbox, okay? We have that. Put that to the side, and we'll put that all together. And the two umbrellas, okay? And these are pretty easy to put together as well. And these are all probably all the stands and, yep. And these are all the stands in the boxes here. So you have the stands. So you got 4 stands. So you have and all the backdrop poles are in this bag here. So this is really well laid out. So I'm gonna set this up real quick. I'm gonna set it all up and I'm gonna show you how it looks assembled. First impressions, I have to tell you, nice. Nice quality kit, well put together, real easy. Let's take a look at these awesome light bulbs. These things are awesome. Check out these bulbs. Any questions or any comments, leave down below. I appreciate it, guys, as always. And let's see. Now, if you've never seen these huge photo bulbs, these are really huge. All right, check this out. Now that's a bulb. That's really, really, really nice. So here's the bulb, as you can see here. And that's not your standard little bulb. That's a huge bulb. So basically what you want to do, and I won't get into assembling the whole thing on like, I'm going to show you these bulbs basically screwed into here, okay? Pretty easy. And again, everything is branded. You can see that. You screw these in, right? That's all set. You basically put on your Velcro top, and this is your first softbox. You can see that, right? So that's really easy. So I'm going to finish assembling all this. This is super easy. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to set the whole thing up. This is a nice kit, I have to tell you. I'm very impressed. Very impressed very much. And just take a look quickly at one of the umbrella lights real quick with the umbrella. And I'll show you real quick here. I'll take this apart. Again, super easy. Umbrella opens up just like an umbrella, right? So that's, right, there you go. This is a standard umbrella, okay? And this is the light here. Open this up here, like that. And this goes like that. This is how you do the, and then you put this on the stand, and the stands are in the box like I showed you. You basically put the bulb in here, okay? And the bulb and the light comes down this way. The nice soft diffusion that comes this way. You can do it this way, totally up to you. But this is how you kind of do this setup. So this is really easy. So we're gonna set this all up. We're gonna set up the truss system. We're gonna look at the backdrops. We're gonna take a quick look at it. But all in all, super, super fine quality. Very well made, very well organized. That's really important. So if you're on a portable photo shoot, this is super easy to do. So let's get this all together and see how it looks. Okay guys, just gonna show you here, just gonna open up the tripods, just gonna fast forward a lot of this and hook everything all up. Really, really simple. This just goes right on with Velcro, like I said. This does come with 5 bulbs. Each bulb is 85 watts. They're 5500 Kelvin. They are white balanced. So they're all set to go, and they do give you an extra bulb. So here you see the umbrella, put the big bulbs in. Really simple, really easy to set up. Like I said, they all have switches so you can control everything individually as much as you want. You got 2 soft boxes and 2 umbrellas. Really, really nice kit. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're enjoying the video. I do appreciate that. Leave some comments down below. Leave a thumbs up. Really help that. It really helps me out a lot, and I do appreciate that. Let's get up to finish the video. I just want to give you just a handheld look here. So here are the 2 umbrellas. You can see there. And here are the 2 soft boxes. So there they are assembled, totally assembled. Again, one more time. They are the 2 umbrellas right here and the 2 soft boxes. So all in all, they're really kind of cool. They went together really simple. Honestly, you really don't need a lot of instructions for these kind of things, but if you need to, look at the instructions. But they're really easy. They're just pretty much, you know, put them together. I mean, they kind of make sense all around. So soft boxes, there are the actual umbrellas, and then we'll just set up the truss system itself. And basically, it's basically 2 tripods like that here with different lengths of pole. And we'll take a look at those real quick. And just set up the backdrop basically. So it comes with 2 tripods like this in that bag I showed you earlier. Okay, and each one of these tripods are special, so you can't make a mistake. These have a special wing nut on top of here, and it comes with these poles. And these poles interlock, so there's 4 set of poles. You can see that. And it has a little hole on top here, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So each one of these poles is 2.5 feet long, so we put 2 of these together, and we have 5 feet. There's 4 of them. You put all of them together and you have 10-foot spread. So we're not doing the whole 10-foot spread, but we're gonna set up the 5-foot spread. We're gonna lay out the cloth and we're gonna show you how that looks. And it's real simple to put together. So this mount here is where you put the first pole, and the poles interlock. So they're real easy to put together, and I'll show you real quick what I'm talking about interlock. So these are the interlocking pins. So these two pins go into these two holes, right? And they basically lock together. And that's how you put these together. You just snap them in, and then you basically, on each end of the pole, you take off your wing nut here. I'll show you that. And this comes off. These are washers. Let's see. I'll put one on top, one on the bottom. Like that, like that. Just like you see, right? And you lock it down. I mean, that's how I guess that makes a lot of sense. You got two washers, one top, one bottom. That gives it the most stability. You can see that. And then basically you take your second pole, and you lock it in here. Then you set the second trestle up on the other side, just same exact thing on the other side. So I'm gonna get that together, and we're gonna take a look to see how it looks. Okay, so before we go to the finished setup, I want to show you a couple of photos here. So here's some photos with the SD soft boxes. As you can see how the light is very controlled, and you can see really great photography, great video. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with this. I also want to give you another example with a head and actual pinpoint lighting. So you can see in this head here that I have one soft box to one side. You can see one side lit and the other side is not. Okay, so that's a good example. Second one, same shot here. Both soft boxes are pushed into the head. So now you can see that the head is lit, but the front is a little dark. Bring in the umbrella and boom, there you go. It's a complete lighting, and you can add a light behind it. You can add a hair light. You can do all kinds of cool stuff. So this is a really quite a nice kit. Just want to give you another quick example. Let's get to the rest of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see here, the Tire Studio is all set up. So let's break it down for you real quick. So we have two soft boxes on one side, okay, and then we have two umbrella stands on the other side. What we have in the back here is we have a green cloth, a black cloth, and a white cloth. So this gives you some different options for different studio setups. You can use the green screen for video. So if you're doing a YouTube video or a video production of any sort, you can use the green screen. Also, if you're doing anything online as far as zooming or virtual backgrounds, really awesome, right? That works really helpful. The lights are constant light, so that means they're always on. They're not flash. So they're a nice constant stream, 5500 Kelvin, nice white daylight balance bulbs. So those are super simple, and you can adjust your camera to the lights that you're in, and if you have to, you can work with that settings 100%. Comes with the 4 tripods to hold all the lights. Comes with all the bulbs and an extra bulb, okay, and that's really nice. And that's it. So basically, it's a studio in a box. I hope you enjoyed the review. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video. It does help me out quite a bit. It really does. I do appreciate that as well. Also, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you use. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like and dislike. Listen, this is a review channel. There are negatives and positives to everything. So that's what this is all about. And if you have anything that you want to add to the video, please let me know. Leave some comments below, and I appreciate it as always. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed it. I did. This is a great set. Again, if I'm SD, I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up yours if you're interested. And that's it. You can't go wrong. All right, guys, appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next review.